Hello, my lovely boys and girls. Hope you all are developing an interest in this subject called maths. And this is your dear ma'am again with a chapter on mensuration for the second time. For those of you who haven't watched my videos earlier on this, you will find that I have explained perimeter and area very nicely in my previous video. In this video, what we're going to do is do some problems on this chapter. Many students find perimeter and area very complicated, and especially when it comes to solving problems, it is a big headache for them. No more headaches, no more worries. Just follow my video, subscribe my channel so that all notifications reaches you at the earliest and you find this chapter and even the subject so interesting. Now let's do a problem on perimeter and area and see how quick and interesting this is. Suppose this is a figure that I have drawn on the screen. This is a figure of a rectangle where I have tried to explain you that in rectangle two opposite sides are equal. So here in this case AB and CD are equal. Similarly AC and BD are equal. We won't go much into that. We'll proceed with the sum. Here in this, the area is given 540 meters square. Suppose this is a rectangular park, okay, just a rough sketch of a rectangular park, and the area of this park is 540 meters square. So I will write here area equal to 540 meters square. Now in the basics of perimeter and area, if you are in class 6, 7 or maybe even 8, some of you may not be aware of this. Area of a rectangle is always the product of length and breadth. Means if you multiply length with breadth, you get area. So what I will do here is area ke jagah mein, since the area formula, I will write area equal to length into breadth. Is equal to 540 meters square. It's given on the screen, and out of this length and breadth, one is given to me, that is the length. I have to find the breadth. So in place of length I will write 27. Length given is 27. See children, this is a problem. This is a sum on perimeter and area where you have a rectangular park whose area is given to you. I will write it here somewhere so that things become easier for you in this problem. Area is given and breadth is given. Area given is 540 meters square. Sorry, breadth not given. Length is given, that is 27 meter. Area given is 540 meters square. And length is 27 meter. This is given to us. Okay. Now since this is a question, this is given to you, I have drawn a figure to make you understand this. What you will do is you will just write the value of area equal to 540 meters square. I'll show you with the cursor, and then in place of area you write the formula, that is length into breadth, and in place of length you write the value that is given. So 27 into B equal to 540 meter square. Now what I will do here is I have to find the breadth. Now breadth, how will I get? I have to remove the 27 that is there on the left hand side. If 27 is being multiplied with breadth, if it goes to the other side, it will be divided. This also I have explained in my linear equation chapter. Kindly watch my previous videos to get a clear concept to the entire chapters on mathematics. So I'll write B here. Take 27 to the other side. So other side, when you take, you write 540 first. Whatever is written on the other side, the right hand side, bring 27 down in the denominator, divide these two, you get the value of B. This is so simple, isn't it? It's very exciting. I really do not understand why children are so scared of maths. Basically, I think they do not understand in class, and they are hesitant in asking the teachers question. They have this phobia that others are going to make their fun. But trust me, once you understand maths, it becomes the most interesting subject. So I will divide it by 27 itself. You can divide it by 3 also. It's up to you. 27 2s are 54 and 0, that is 20. I got the breadth 20. Next portion is I have to find the perimeter. As you can see just on the screen, just right below perimeter and area, I have written already that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, that is 2a plus 2b, and I have shown how to frame the formula. Just you have to substitute the values here. So here I'll write equal to sign, put 2 within brackets. I will write the value of a plus b. Now a already given, that is the length. A was the length, so A was given 27 and B was given 20. B we have found out, that is 20. To 20 plus 27 is 47. 47 into 2. So you just multiply these two and you get the answer 94 meter. Remember, the unit that you will write for perimeter will only be meter. If it is in centimeter, it will be centimeter, not the square. Its square unit is written in case of area. This is very simple. If the perimeter is given to you, you can find the area. If the area is given to you, you can find the perimeter. Let's proceed with another very important sum on this chapter. Let me erase the entire thing. I will show you a rectangular. I will just leave the rectangular field as it is. I will have to delete this portion. Here again, I will show you the example of a sum where the perimeter is given. Like in this previous sum, area was given, but in this case, perimeter is given. So perimeter given is 151 meter and breadth is given 32. I would request all the viewers, especially the kids who are watching this, young boys and girls, to kindly take a pen and paper. Try to solve these sum. These are the basics. These are the most important ones with you begin this chapter. If you get the answers correct now, you will not face much problem in the later sums. So perimeter, we have formula, that is 2 within bracket a plus b. Now what is this a and b? A is the length, b is the breadth. I can write l plus b also, it's up to you. So perimeter given here is 151. So in place of perimeter, I will write 151. Then write equal to sign, put 2 as it is within bracket. Now here breadth is given to us. Breadth value was given to us. So in place of B, I will write 32. In place of breadth, I will write 32. Now this is the thing. These are the information given to us. I have to find the length and the area. Very simple. I will remove that 2 that is present just before the bracket. I will take it to the left hand side. So 151 by 2 equal to L plus 32. Or I'll make it even simpler. Just wait a minute. What I will do, I will open the bracket, is equal to 2L plus 64. That's correct. Okay, next what I will do is I will take 64 to my left hand side so that the variable, the L, is left on the left hand side alone. My main intention is to find the value of L, that is the length. 151 minus 64 is equal to, so you just subtract along with me because I haven't memorized the sum. I'm just showing you live. It's 87, I think. 87 is equal to 2L. Now I have to remove the 2 from there. So 87 divided by 2 is equal to 43.5. This is the length. Once I have got the length, it's easy for me to find the area now. Is equal to L. 43.5 I will write for you. If you divide this 87 by 2, you will get 43.5. Children, this is the basic of mensuration, the perimeter and area chapter. Hope you are understanding my videos. और अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज अभी के अभी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपसे मेरी कोई भी वीडियोस मिस ना हो। और इस लॉकडाउन में आपका पढ़ाई बिल्कुल हैम्पर नहीं होना चाहिए, स्पेशली मैथ्स बिल्कुल हैम्पर नहीं होना चाहिए। यू गेट ऑल द help that is needed. to understand this subject. So I have got the value of L, that is 43.5. This is L, 43.5. Now what my question demands is to find the area. I will write area equal to length into breadth. This is the formula. Area is equal to length into breadth. L into B. This is very simple. See children, breadth was already provided to us in the question. As perimeter was also given to us. We were supposed to find the length and the area. So I have shown you how to find the length. आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. And I would again request you to take a paper and a pen because I'm going very slow. You can take a paper and pen. Try to solve this sum. These sums are all from recognized school books. And no matter which board you are from, you can try to solve these sums along with me. And if you do not understand anything, do write in the comment section. So area is equal to length into breadth. Length I have got 43.5. This 43.5 into breadth. Breadth was already given to us. That was 32. So I will multiply these two and I get the answer 1392. Area is equal to 43.5 into breadth. Breadth is 32. I will write 32. I'll put the value 32. I hope you're understanding. फिर से मैं repeat करती हूँ. एरिया का फॉर्मूला है length into breadth और लेंथ मैंने फाइंड किया है. यहाँ पे मैंने सॉल्व करके दिखाया है. Length is 43.5, breadth is 32 given to us already. So I will multiply these two and get the value here. So when you multiply these two, you will get the value 1392. So this is the area. 1392 meters square. Hope you've understood this sum. This is very simple. Keep practicing. Unless you practice, you will not become perfect. आपने सुना ही होगा, practice makes a man perfect. मैथ्स को देखकर घबराइए नहीं. आप एक बार उसे प्रैक्टिस करिए और देखिए कि ये सम कितना आसान हो जाता है और कितना ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. चलिए, till then, stay safe. Keep loving, keep subscribing my channel, share it with your friends, and let the joy of mathematics spread everywhere. Thank you. Bye bye.